So guys, right now I'm planning to buy Tata Consumer stock in the market level now. So I just bought it around 814. So let's see how the stock will perform. So guys, welcome to today's live intraday trading. Today we are trading on Tata Consumer stock. So I have bought this stock, and again you can see the market is gapped down today. So I just thought the market will be in a recovering section. So that's why I have gone to the buyer side. Okay, so right now I have bought the stock, so let's see how the stock will perform. So planning to take my exit somewhere around 5 to 6 points when it goes up. Okay, so yes, this stock looks very good bullish movement, right, in a bullish way. Okay, and not only that, it's in a good support level. Okay, so that's the reason why I have decided to go buying here. Okay, so let's see how it will perform. And also, if you guys wish to get the live market guidance and live market updates from me, you can join us now. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen and get in touch with me and to take the course. And once you take the course and join us, I'll be guiding you every day in the live market, like what we trade and everything. So all these things will get the updates. Okay, and also if you're new to stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my courses now. In my course, I'll teach you simple skill to make consistent profit. No indicators, no complicated things, and it's a one-time payment. You get lifetime support. I'll teach you the exact needed skill, what is needed to make consistent profit in intraday trading. To provide NSE and MCX trading course, the course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program, and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also, these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators. And also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So guys, yes, now back to trading. As you guys can see, the stock is trading somewhere near to 813 and 812. So we bought it around 814. Yes, it has come down a bit, if you guys can see. So let's wait for the stock to recover and go up. So I really guess the stock is really in a good support level, because you can see the first 5 minutes candle, it has went down and again it has came up in the morning and closed in a bullish way. Okay, and the second candle also, you can see the first candle high, it gave a breakout and it went up. So right now it's trying to consolidate a little bit and then go up, I guess. So anyway, we'll wait for that movement to happen. Okay, so we'll just wait for the good bullish movement to come, and until that we can wait for it. It has not come much opposite also to take the exit. So let's wait for the stock to come up, and once the stock comes up, we can exit once it goes like 5 to 6 points up. Okay, and also you can see the market is recovering. In the opening it was almost 1.5% down. Now it is almost 1% down only, so 0.5% has been almost recovered, if you guys can see at the top left side. Okay, so we can expect the stock to go up once the markets start to push up. Okay, and there's no resistance level as of now. The resistance level is above 820 levels, if you guys can see in Tata Consumer. Okay, so let's wait for it, and you can see the live trade now, and once I take my exit, I'll update you guys. Okay. So guys, as you guys can see, the stock has went up till 822. Okay, so I just took my exit now. So this was the profit what I was able to book today, the today's trade of Tata Consumer. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us today. You can go into my channel and watch all the videos. So every day I upload like how much profit I made in intraday trading, so you can watch all of this performance, and you can also see my client screenshot of profit in my blog, which I've given in the link in the description below of this video. And if you guys are motivated to make consistent profit from today, and if you guys wish to learn the good techniques to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.